boy. Good boy.
Didi.
Down. Come here.
Didi.
Want me to touch you? Want me to touch you? Yeah? Down. Down. Good boy. Come on. Down. I'm pretty sure Mary can handle this.
Yeah.
Should we try something up close to see if he looks good?
Yeah, okay. Come on, Didi.
Closer.
Come, baby.
Yeah, as long as you got treats, we're good right now, aren't we?
Good boy. No.
That's all right. I'll hose it. Okay, get a hold of him. I'm going to walk around. Come on, Didi. Come on, Didi. Didi, come. Didi, come. Oh, that wasn't very close. Come on, Didi. Didi, come. Didi, come.
She's like, Mom, why have I got to be the guinea pig?
Should we try TJ outside?
Okay. Remember, TJ's a wimpy boy.